Welcome to the 89 Garage, folks. I am your host, Mustang Shane. Purpose of this video today is to give you a channel update. Well, I didn't do anything yesterday. I was just pretty much lazy all day. And the reason why is, well, besides the fact it's cold outside, I'm waiting on some stuff to come. I'm waiting on rotors for the Escape. I'm going to do that. I'm going to record that, the rotors and pads. And I also am waiting for a microphone for the GoPro. So the last couple videos I've done with the GoPro haven't been too terribly impressed with how the audio turns out. I am impressed with the video. So I ordered a Rode microphone. At least I assume, maybe it's Rode A, I don't know. Anyway, RODE is the brand of the microphone. I ordered one of those along with a dead cat for wind noise. Wind noise will not be a factor right now, but in future episodes I think it will be. I'm going to do a little bit of work outside with Frankie, probably in the springtime, out in the garage. Sometimes it gets real hot in here in the summer. I don't have an air conditioner in here. Maybe that could happen. But for now, it's only heated. And it really should be on right now. But I'm just out here to record this to tell you guys what's going on. The 89 Garage unfortunately has the lowest filming budget of any channel on all of YouTube. Literally, most of it's done on my phone. Also coming up, the F-150 needs a little maintenance, and I will be recording some of that on there. That's the channel update for now. I do have some other things coming down the wire that I'm not going to mention here just in case they don't come through, but the definites are those items right there. Also, one more thing. The 2011 Escape is acting up again where it doesn't want to shift out of park when it's cold. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I don't know. I got to dig into that. I'll bring you along when I do that too. So anyway, just a couple things I wanted to update you on, and hope you guys have a wonderful week. Damn, I need a haircut, don't I? Have a wonderful week, and thank you for watching. And please also enjoy. For the first time, I've been working on an outro for all my videos. You will get it for the first time in this video. Take care. Like, share, subscribe, and please.